Navigating marriage bliss, tips for a happy union. Marriage is a beautiful union that can bring immense joy and satisfaction to couples if they nurture it with love and care. However, it also requires hard work and dedication to maintain a healthy relationship. Couples need to be patient, understanding, and forgiving to each other. They should be open to communication and be willing to compromise in times of disagreement. Additionally, they should be able to express their feelings and support each other. Couples should also take time to spend quality time with each other. This can be done by going on dates, having fun activities, and simply having meaningful conversations. Doing this will help them stay connected and strengthen their bond. It is also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle and to prioritize each other's needs. This includes eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough rest. Couples should also be able to show appreciation for one another. Marriage is also about making sacrifices for each other. It is important to understand that there will be times when one partner may need to give more than the other. Both partners should be willing to make sacrifices to keep the relationship strong. It is also important to remember that marriage is a lifelong commitment. Couples should strive to keep their relationship alive and exciting by continuing to explore new experiences and activities together. Finally, couples should always remember to show love and affection for each other. This can be done through physical gestures such as hugs and kisses, as well as verbal affirmations. Doing this will help couples stay connected and happy.